It's time for an English quiz. There is or there are. A penguin. There is or there are. There is a penguin. Two candy canes. There is or there are. There are two candy canes. A black cat. There is or there are. There is a black cat. Pretty snowflakes. There is or there are. There are pretty snowflakes. Children playing. There is or there are. There are children playing. A Christmas tree. There is or there are. There is a Christmas tree. Two gingerbread men. There is or there are. There are two gingerbread men. A red truck. There is or there are. There is a red truck. A blue house. There is or there are. There is a blue house. Deer in the forest. There is or there are. There are deer in the forest. Remember, we use there is for one thing and there are for more than one thing. How many did you get correct out of 10? Subscribe to ESL Class Games for more.